So I printed this little cat. It's supposed to be articulated at these little joints. Don't know if it's actually going to work. We will find out. Here's some other focus. So I don't know how I do this. I assume I have to like somehow carefully remove these bottom pieces. I don't know how I'm supposed to do that. Do you know anything about that?
No.
I don't know how I'm supposed to take off this platform underneath. That part looks good. Look, that kind of wobbles.
Mm-hmm. Maybe go from the head and then.
Did I already do it from the tail? Making sure you can actually see something on that screen.
Yeah.
Like this part's kind of loose. Some parts are loose, but some parts are not so much. That's not bad. Okay. So close, but so far. Ooh, this last part is just stuck good. So that's what I got so far.
That's cool.
That is cool. So it's just basically this. I think it's just it's literally just this one piece. The primary cat butt. Okay, literally just this one piece. Literally just this one piece still. Very adhered to the base, not to the.
Wait. Look, if you do that part right there, it's like, see right there, it's like stuck on.
I know. I saw that. I'm not sure if you would throw it though. Well, that part didn't come out good. This bottom foot. This part is like very stuck on. Like I would have to take like a knife or something and remove that little bit. Put that aside. Got a couple little stringies. Pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.